Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Akila James, and today I want to talk to you about how to put together a college recruiting video for tennis. So guys, I know fall is coming up, summer is coming up, but you need to get ready for the fall and you need to put together a recruiting video. How do you go about that? It is so simple. Don't do all of this rambling like you see people doing in their videos. Get straight to the point, okay? You have to do forehands, backhands, serves, volleys, maybe some slices and some overheads. Don't make it long. Half of the time, these coaches, they're not even really watching the whole video. So you don't want to waste your time. I'd say 5 minutes and below, because you want to get straight to the point. 7 minutes max. Make sure when you're doing a video, you're exaggerating your movements, so you're bending your knees, you're jumping around, you're showing a lot of energy. You don't want to be doing a video and it looks like you don't want to be there. Remember, you are trying to make yourself likable, approachable, so that they will say, hey, I want to recruit this person. I want to tell you, stand out. Oh, the alarm. You hear the police car? We'll wait till we're finished. Most important thing about the video is that you stand out. You want to make a huge impression. You want to make yourself likable. Hopefully you're a likable person to begin with, but you do want to make yourself stand out. Whether it's doing something different in your video, like making a couple of jokes, stand out. Then send your video to them and truthfully write, what do you have to offer the university, as well as why do you think that university is the best fit for yourself. People want to know what you can do for them just as much as what they can do for you. I say that in the sense of, you want to make sure, if you're a family person like me, I wanted a family. I wanted a family environment. I don't care if we fight. I just wanted to fight hard on the court and we get to business. I love the dynamic we had as our teammates. We were able to talk. It was great. Our coaches, it was great. I had a very good experience. So I knew I wanted to bring that kind of space where we could talk about anything and we could talk about the real things and not the real things. And that's why we were successful. What do you want to bring to the team? Are you a motivator? I don't know. Are you a person that leads by example? Are you, what you call that? A cheerleader. The last thing for you to do now is just to pray. Send in your video, send in a little brief writing of where you are from, what's your ranking, if you have an ITF ranking, what's your national ranking, what's your state ranking. Basically send in your results, and again, why you want to be at this university or this college. If you don't go to this college, how would you feel and why? And get gritty, get nitty, get to the bottom of it, because this is a place where you want to go. No one asked you to go here. You want to go there. So you have to make sure that your first words are your last words that they remember when they're in bed sleeping. Guys, I can give you an example. You will do this. Hi, my name is Akila James. I'm 17 years old and I would like to go to the University of Arizona. This is a lot of work, but you don't want a video specifically to the people. You want to do the writing specifically to the people. But the video is, hi, my name is Akila James. I'm 17 years old and here's my college recruiting video. Bam. 5 minutes video, boom, 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 boom. Good? Thank you so much for watching my video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it, and whatever your joke is. Simple. Send it out. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video, and I hope I was very informative. See ya.